In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this lovely candle gift set. I've never made candles before, so I bought a candle making set. It had all the tools and everything I needed. I'll link it below. All you need to do is melt the wax pieces. I'm using organic soy. If you don't have a heater like me, then you can do this in a pan of boiling water. It's super easy. When attaching your wick, you need to make sure you attach it at the bottom of the candle jar and then something to attach it to at the top. You want to let your wax go down to around 60-70 Celsius before you pour it, and also before you add any essential oils. I didn't film it, but I did add about 20-25 drops of essential oils to my wax before pouring. Also, I did, once the wax was soft, not hard or liquid anymore, and I added the lavender you can see at the side. Again, I forgot to film. Make sure you don't over pour and you leave enough wick to light later. For the diffuser, I followed a recipe which I'll link below. I bought some diffuser sticks, and then it's just hot water, alcohol and 25 drops of your chosen oil. If making this, make sure you get bottles with watertight lids so that the diffuser oil doesn't spill out. I then jumped on Canva and made some labels for the candles and bottles. These were just a simple design and personalised with her initials. I made some circle ones for the top of the match and diffuser bottles also, just to give a nice finished look. I then downloaded as PNGs and sent them over to my Cricut to cut. If you don't have a Cricut, you can order personalised labels on Etsy, or just print and cut yourself. This is just matte sticker paper that I used, printed normal at home. And then just simply added the labels to each of the bottles. For the match bottle, I also bought some striker stickers, which I just attached to the back, and they actually work really well. The main thing when attaching stickers to curved surfaces is you need to press down in the middle first and then push out to the sides, or you'll end up with creases and bumps. Then all I needed to do was set it all up nicely. Chose to go with a basket, and then I filled out the bottom with some tissue paper and shredded to make it look a little nicer. The coasters for under the candles, I'll have a separate video showing you how I made these. If you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. But I think it's the perfect easy gift for somebody, and it looks so expensive and stylish.